In this video, I want to go over the problem surface area and volume of a box on Codewars. And what I want you to do is to write a function that returns the total surface area and the volume of a box as an array like so. Now, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to create a variable called volume, and I've written the formula for volume right here, length times width times height. So we have the local variables W, H, and L, and they stand for width, height, and length respectively. So we have everything we need. So all we have to do is say length times width times height. And now we have the volume of the box. Next we need to get the surface area. And this is a little bit more difficult. We're going to start out by creating a variable called SA, which is an acronym for surface area. And we're going to set it equal to the formula for surface area. Now surface area, if you look here, is nothing more than the sum of the area of every face. See, surface area is equal to 2 times length times width. Length times width is the top and the bottom of the box, and there's two of them. So 2 LW. There's going to be 2 LHs and 2 WHs. All we have to do is we're going to literally set SA equal to this formula, and we'll have the surface area. So if we look right here, so length, width, and height, we have everything. So we're going to say 2 times length times width, plus 2 times width times height, plus 2 times length times height. Now we have the volume and the surface area of this cube. The last thing we need to do is we need to return it as an array. So SA would be area and volume is volume. So all we have to do is return SA and volume. And this should work. Let's test it. As you can see, all 45 test cases passed. And that is the surface area and volume of a box problem on Codewars. I hope that you learned something and you found this video valuable. If you did, I would appreciate it if you liked, commented, and subscribed. And I will see you guys in future tutorials.